Chennaiyin FC coach John Gregory was pleased with his team's performance in the goalless draw against Delhi Dynamos.
We should have won the game quite comfortably. If we'd have come off winning 3-0, I don't think Delhi could have complained about it. We had really good opportunities, goal-scoring opportunities, which we worked hard to create, and we didn't take those chances. And as you know, we've had a little bit of a problem at the other end of the pitch. But tonight, defensively, we were very solid. Considering we've got Calderon playing a slightly different position, Francis Fernandez playing at right back, which is not his favoured position. Defensively, we looked very solid. And the second half just literally was one-way traffic. We just dominated the game in the second half. And it tells the story, I think, when their goalkeeper has just won the man of the match. Without doubt, he kept Delhi in the match. We more than got it started today. More than got it started. And obviously, Carlitos has really dejected after the match. He put in a huge amount of effort and given me chances that he had. If he had the opportunity to do it again, I'm sure he'd score. But football's like that, you need to take your chances when you get them. And that certainly could have been a comfortable victory for us, as you say. But considering we've had three defeats, and there is a little bit of lack of confidence amongst the players. Obviously, they've had three defeats. They don't want to be in this position. They're used to being at the other end of the table, most of my boys that were here last year. They're used to winning matches. They're used to coming to places like this and going home with 3 points. And a good, solid performance. So I'm absolutely delighted in the way that they played, the way that they performed. Nobody's heads dropped. They've kept smiling. They kept working hard. And in none of the 3 games that we've played previously to Delhi has there ever been a lack of effort. The effort that they've given in the 3 defeats has been tremendous, and obviously you saw that again tonight. They worked exceptionally hard. I didn't think that Delhi could stay with us in the last 20 minutes or so. There's only one team that's actually going to win it.